Oh, please. Don't just use paper on that mess. Your sweet ride deserves something better. You'll never get it squeaky clean with just paper. You need good old-fashioned H2O to polish that backside. Water does it better. Hey there, Captain Redchest. How do you think that went for you? Your skin deserves more. Don't rub it raw. Water does it better. Ouch! Cheeks are sensitive. Give those cheeks the comfortable clean they deserve. Water does it better. This is why Bemis created this fantastic bidet. Water's the only way to get the job done, getting your tail fresh and clean.